Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Xiaomi 15T. Alright, we have two methods how we can perform a reset, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the recommended method is a reset through the settings. To do it, open them up. Now, scroll down, don't scroll, my bad. Click on About Phone, scroll down, and click on Factory Reset. Now, remember that all of your data will be permanently erased from your device. So what I highly recommend to do before the reset, if you are doing it through the settings, is to create a backup of your data. Thanks to that, we'll be able to restore our backup in the future and we won't lose anything. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you all possible methods to create a backup on this device, so if you want, you can look for it. Alright, now all you need to do is to click on Erase All Data. Simply do it, and now click on Factory Reset. After that, your device will be turned off. Then it will be turned on again automatically, and the next thing that you need to do is to set up your device. When it comes to the second method, which is through the recovery mode, this method is recommended, for example, when you cannot perform the first method, or for example when the phone is locked. But when it's locked, I mean it's locked with the password, just like, in my case I don't have password, so it won't work. But basically when you are performing a reset through the recovery mode, during the setup process the phone will want you to type your password that you had before the reset on your device, or it will want you to log into the Google account on which you were logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that you were actually a user of this device. But if you are resetting through the settings, through the first method, just like I was showing you, you shouldn't have that confirmation. Alright, now to perform the reset from the recovery mode, first we need to power off our device. Click on Power button and Volume Up button, just like that, to launch the power menu. Now drag this white ball into Power Off and release your finger. Now let's wait a few seconds. We want to make sure that the phone is completely turned off. And now, to launch the recovery mode, we need to use two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until we see the Xiaomi logo. When it appears, we need to still keep holding volume up, but we can release the finger from the power button. Let me show you. So, start with holding both of the buttons. And when you see the logo, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up. Just like that. Now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. We need to go into Wipe Data, click the power button. Remember that in this method also all of your data will be erased. Now select again Wipe All Data, confirm, select confirm and click power button. The process has now started, so we need to wait a little until it's finished. Okay, data wiped successfully. Back to main menu, now select the reboot function, click the power button, reboot the system, and now we need to wait until the phone turns on. And just like in the first method, we need to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.